Hello there, this is Roberto Matthews with another tip for you. In today's tip, I wanted to answer a couple of my customers' questions. They've been buying my 3D printed AeroGarden plug replacements. These plug replacements have little holes at the bottom that allow water and nutrients to go in, and it's a nice option instead of having to purchase these cages and sponges. The other advantage is that you can use your own soil in this, okay? But somebody made an observation, and rightly so, that when you compare this to the actual plugs, there's a lot of space here to be desired. And so this space that's right here seems like it won't allow for a lot of water and take up, okay, water and nutrient take up. But I wanted to show you the design and what I was intending on. When I would put this in here, and you'll see that as I put this in here, there's a lot of water that actually comes in to the plug. And what happens is that amount of water is just enough to hydrate your soil. And as long as you see that your water is filled up to the line, then you have no problems with it. So that's basically it. I also wanted to show you something different that I have set up here, and I'll get that all set up for you so that you can see. So I have here a couple of paper pots that I created that you could also use these plugs with if you don't happen to have an AeroGarden and still want the advantage. So basically the way this works is and you can see how the roots are really coming out of here. It's just beautiful how the roots have taken. But basically it's a cover and it's cardboard paper, and the cardboard paper has a sandwich bag put in there so that the water will be maintained. And I put my fertilizer and all that in there, and it works just fine. And in this case, we have a cutting, just a small cutting from a tomato plant. It hasn't gotten out yet, but as you can see, the water is coming up to this area, and there's no issue either. And again, you can now have little designs if you would like. It's just really easy. So if you would like to know how to fold some of these little pots, or if you'd like to order some plugs, some AeroGarden replacement plugs, please let me know below, or click here and order. So have a wonderful day. Thank you very much.